morning children. In our previous class we discussed about the polynomials and we learned the definition of the polynomials and also we learned the monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomials and the linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomials, and also we did some problems based on this introduction. So today in our class we are going to some more problems in this chapter, from this chapter. Okay, see here. What is a polynomial? Polynomial is an algebraic expression consisting of positive powers. So based on the degrees we have the linear polynomial, quadratic and the cubic polynomial. If the degree of the polynomial is 1, that is called as the linear polynomial. Degree of the polynomial is 2, that is quadratic polynomial. If the degree of the polynomial is 3, then it is cubic polynomial. Okay, and also we learned the general form of the linear polynomial, quadratic and the cubic polynomial. Linear polynomial general form is ax plus b. Quadratic polynomial general form is ax square plus bx plus c. Cubic polynomial general form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Yes? And also we learn the coefficient, constant term and the degrees of the polynomial. And today let us do some more problems from this chapter. If 3 is a 0 of the polynomial, x square plus 2x minus a, then find the value of a. See here, if 3 is a 0 of the polynomial x square plus 2x minus a, then what will become the value of a? So already we know that what is the 0 of the polynomial? The value which we have to substitute in the polynomial to become the 0, then it is called as the 0 of the polynomial. So here, if we substitute 3 in this polynomial, then the total term will become 0. So if 3 is the 0 of this polynomial, what will be the value of a? Let us find out. Then let us write the polynomial p of x. P of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus a. See here, already 3 is the 0 of the polynomial that is given in the question itself. That means if we substitute 3 in this polynomial, the total value becomes 0. P of 3 is equal to 0. Yes? Now let us substitute P of 3. In the place of x, substitute 3. 3 square plus 2 into 3 minus 8. P of 3 will become 0. Why P of 3 will become 0? Because 3 is the 0 of this polynomial. So that's why the value becomes 0. So 0 is equal to 3 square. 3 square value is 9 plus 2 3s are 6 minus 8. So 0 is equal to 9 plus 6, 15 minus 8. So take the 15 to the left side of the equal sign. It will become minus 15 is equal to minus 8. Minus minus get cancelled. 15 plus 0, 15 only. So here A value becomes 15. Okay, are you understand? If 3 is the 0 of this polynomial, here we find the value of A. So if we substitute 3 in this polynomial, so P of 3 will become 0 because 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. So P of 3 is equal to 3 square plus 2 into 3 minus A. 0, P of 3 is 0. 3 square value 9. 9 plus 6 minus A. 9 plus 6, 15. 0 is equal to 15 minus A. Minus 15 if we write left side, it will become minus 15. Minus minus get cancelled. A value is equal to 15. Okay. Let us see one more problem. Verify that 2 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 3x plus 2. See here we have to check whether the 2 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial p of x, that is x square minus 3x minus 2. Sorry, plus 2. How can we check these two are the zeros of the polynomial or not? Yes. Here we have to substitute 2 and 1 in this polynomial. If the value becomes 0, then we can conclude that 2 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial. Okay. See here. Now let us write P of x. What is the polynomial? P of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. Now let us check whether 2 is the 0 of this polynomial or not. For that, what we have to do? We have to substitute 2 in the place of x in this polynomial. See here, P of 2. Substitute P of 2 in the place of x. 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2. 2 square. 2 square value is 4 minus 3 2s are 6 plus 2. See here, 4 plus 2, 6. 6 minus 6, it will become 0. See, so here when we substitute 2 in this polynomial, the total value becomes 0. So that's why we can conclude that 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. P of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. Yes. So 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Now let us check whether 1 also is 0 of the polynomial or not. So for that, what we have to do? Same process. In this polynomial, we have to substitute in the place of x, we have to substitute 1. If we get 0 as the answer, then we can conclude 1 also the 0 of the polynomial. See here, P of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. Let us substitute 1 in the place of x. P of 1. P of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 2. 1 square value is 1 minus 3 ones are 3 plus 2. See here, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So here 1 also the 0 of the polynomial P of x, that is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. So therefore 2 and 1 both are the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. See here, when we substitute 2 and 1, both values, if we are substituting in this polynomial, 2 values become 0. So that's why here 2 and 1, both are the zeros of the polynomial p of x. Here why we got two answers as the zeros of the polynomial? Because if you observe this polynomial, it is a quadratic polynomial because the degree of this polynomial is 2. So x square minus 3x plus 2. What is the degree of this polynomial? Yes, 2 is the degree of this polynomial. So when the degree is 2, then we can call it as quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial has maximum 2 zeros. So that's why here when we substitute 2 values in this polynomial, then it will become 0. So that's why here 2 and 1 both are the zeros of the polynomial. Okay. Let us see one more problem. Okay, let us see how to do the divisions with the polynomials. Okay, first let us try to do the division with a monomial. What is monomial? Yes, if an algebraic expression has only one term, that is called as a monomial. In this case, let us do the division with monomial. Okay, see here. 3x cubed minus 15x square plus 9x minus 9 is divided by 3x. 3x cubed minus 15x square plus 9x minus 9 is we are going to divide with the 3x. How can we divide? We have to divide individually with each term. See here, 3x cubed by 3x minus 15x square by 3x plus 9x by 3x minus 9 by 3x. Okay, see here, individually we have to divide with the 3x. 3x cubed by 3x minus 15x square by 3x plus 9x by 3x minus 9 by 3x. So here, let us take first one. 3x cube is there. 3x cube means in x, how many x are there here? Total 3x are there. X into x into x. So let us write in expanded form. 3 into x cube means we can write it as x into x by 3x. Okay. Minus 15. 15 x square. X square means x into x by 3 into x plus 9. Here only one x is there. 9 into x by 3 into x minus 9 by 3x. See here, if we cancel this one, here x and x get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 ones are. Now let us come to what will be the left here. What is left here? 3 ones are get cancelled. X get cancelled. X into x, that is x square minus, see here, 15. We can cancel with the 3. 3 ones are 3 5s are 3 5s are 15. X get cancelled minus 5x plus here also x get cancelled. 3 ones are 3. 3 3s are 9. So what is left here? Only plus 3 is left minus here 3 ones are 3 3s are 3 by x is left. So this is the way to divide the polynomial with a monomial. Let us see some more examples. P cube q square or minus 26 p q square or plus 18 p q square or square is divided by 2 p q r. Yes. Let us take one more example, the division. 24 p cube q square or minus 26 p q square or plus 18 p q square or square we are going to divide with 2 p q r. So it is very easy to divide with monomial. We have to divide separately. First take first term, second term and third term. This is a trinomial because here 3 terms are there. 1, 2, 3. So here this trinomial we are going to divide with a monomial. So write individually, separately. 24 p cube q square or by 2 p q r minus 26 p q square r by 2 p q r plus 18 p q square r square by 2 p q. Now let us write in the expanded form. So then it will become easy to cancel. 24 p cube. P cube means p into p. Q square means q into q. Here only one r is there, write the r as this. By 2 p q r minus 26 p q square r. Q square we can write it as q into q by 2 p q r plus 18 p q square r square by 2 p q 2 p q r. See, let us write the expanded form. 18p q square, that is q into q, r square r into r by 2pqr. See here, if there is any cancellation, we can cancel that. 2 ones are 2, 2 12s are 24. 1p get cancelled. 1q get cancelled and r get cancelled. So what is left here? 12. How many p's are there? 2 p's are there and 1 q is there. So that's why what is left here? 12 p square q. So when we divide 24 p cube q square r with 2 p q r, 2 ones are 2 12s are 1p get cancelled, 1q get cancelled, 1r get cancelled. So what is the left remaining? That one I am writing here 12. How many p's are left here? 2 p's are left. So p square, that is q, minus. Now see here 26p into q into r by 2pqr. So 2 ones are 2 13s are 26. Same here also pp get cancelled, q get cancelled, r get cancelled. So what is left here? 13. Only one q is left. So that's why minus 13q plus. Come to the third one. Here minus sign is there, so that's why I write here minus. 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. Is there any cancellation? It's with PQR. 1p get cancelled, 1q get cancelled, 1r get cancelled. So what is the left? Here 9, 1q 1r left. So that's why 9qr. So like this we have to divide a trinomial or binomial or a multinomial with a monomial. We have to take the terms individually, then we have to do the division. Let us see one more example. K cube minus L cube M cube minus 90 K square L cube M square plus 20 K cube L square M plus next let us take LT K cube L square M cube divided by K square 5 K square L square M square. K square L square M square. Same process we have to follow. We have to do the division individually. Okay. See here 25 K cube L cube M cube by 5 K square L square M square. Minus 90 K square L cube M square by 5 K square L square M square plus 20 K cube L square M by 5 K square L square M square plus 80 K cube L square M cube by 5 K square L square M square. Now to cancel that, if we write in the expanded form, it will become easy. Otherwise, if you can do the direct division, you can do. So 25 K cube, we can write it as K into K into K, L cube, L into L into L into M cube, M into M into M by 5 into K square, that is K into K, L square, L into L, M square, M into M. See here, if there is any cancellation we can do. 5 ones are, 5 5s are, 1K get cancelled, 1K get cancelled. And see here L, 1L get cancelled, M get cancelled. Okay, next. What is left here? 5, 1k, 1l, 1m is left. So 5klm is left here. Next, 90 k square. If we write this k square in expanded form, it will become k into k L cube. L cube we can write it as L into L into L into M square we can write it as M into M by 5 K into L M into M. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. What is the remainder here? 4 is the remainder 40. 5 18s are 90. Now same k get cancelled, k get cancelled, L get cancelled, M get cancelled. So what is left here? Minus 18. Only one L is left here. Minus 18L. Is there any number is left in the denominator? No. So minus 18L. Now come to the third one. 20 into k into k into k. K cube we can write it as k into k into k. L square means L into L. M means only one M we have to write. Five into k into k into L into L into M into M. See here 5 ones are 5. 5 fours are 20. K get cancelled, K get cancelled, L, only one M cancelled. So what is left here? Plus 4, 1K is left in the numerator. What is the left in the denominator? Only one M is left in the denominator. Plus 80 into K cube. K cube we can write it as K into K. L square, L into L, M cube, M into M by 5 K into K, L into L, M into M. 5 ones are 5. So 3 is the remainder 30. 5 6 are 30. So 5 16s are 80. K get cancelled, K get cancelled, L get cancelled. Here 2 m's in the denominator, 3 m's in the numerator. So 2 m's are cancelled. So what is the left here? 16 km is left in the fourth term. So like this we have to divide with a monomial. Okay. Thank you. I hope you understand this class. In next class we will discuss how to divide with binomial. Okay, here just we took the monomial. It is very easy to do the division with a monomial, but how to divide a polynomial with binomial, trinomial. Okay, in next classes we will discuss. Okay, thank you.